So welcome to Crypto Focus channel. So today we going to be why the Bitcoin price are increase. So according to Forbes advisor, so according to Forbes advisor, the price of Bitcoin surged in the wake of Donald Trump re-election, rising to over 90,000 US dollar for the first time in history. So this $90,000 of Bitcoin price is amazing increase in history for the first time because of re-election of Donald Trump. So according to CoinMarketCap, it meant it meant Australians having to pay as much as 1,040,000 UAD to get their hands on a single Bitcoin. Look, this is the main reason, okay? So investors injected some 4.6 billion into the most popular Bitcoin ETF iShares Bitcoin Trust. So because of the reason of the investors pay huge amount of billion bills for Bitcoin. So over the past 4 weeks, as market anticipated the return of the pro-crypto candidate to the White House. So this is amazing for White House. So Trump has frequently stated that he will keep 100% of all Bitcoin the US government currently holds. That is true for increasing the price of Bitcoin. So it marked the second notable surge in the price of Bitcoin this year. So in this year, the second notable surge in the price of Bitcoin. So this is amazing market. So after the increasing of the Bitcoin above this 69,000 USA dollar in March, especially this is in March. So after hitting a new high on this is on November 7, okay, a new high hitting on November 7. So day after the US election, BTC remained bullish at around 90,000 US dollars on November 15. So this is the rapid increase in these few days, okay? So it remains to be seen whether it will push higher and enter further undiscovered price territory, or will page back if the post-election enthusiasm begins to wane. So this is enough for this today, this lesson, until we join it with the other option. Goodbye.